guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be talking about a very interesting topic between two countries. How Belgium battery company has announced investment of $1.5 billion in Ontario. There's a popular saying by Flavio Wolf, a more powerful battery absolutely changes the way an auto industry designs and positions products. The latest announcement that Umicore is building its plant near Ontario brings Canada's auto sector further east than it had historically been, and also building a near 400-kilometer corridor stretching all the way from Windsor. While batteries are linked to a type of replacement of the internal combustion engine, the technology at the center of transportation over the past century, industry insider says is not a perfect combination.
Belgium Battery Supplies Company, founded in 1999, has built a strong reputation over the year as a one-stop shop for the supply of batteries, battery chargers and accessories, as well as maintenance and repair services. They have 80 employees, a year revenue of over 43 million euros and a total database of 54,000 known article numbers, of which 6,000 in stock. While exploring possible synergies, business as usual for the customers of TVH, Battery Supplies and its subsidiaries, the company keeps operating autonomously from its current offices and warehouses, headed by its current management team. Also, in the past years, Battery Supply's future-proof technical product expertise and vast market knowledge will contribute valuably to the technical capabilities of TVH. Due to increasing electrification in the core markets, the need for batteries and ancillary products will become more and more important and could even be expanded beyond the existing markets.
As batteries powering vehicles grow ever stronger, they allow for ever greater computer power and more powerful software. That partially explains why many automakers are developing autonomous and self-driving vehicles as they roll out electric vehicles. Belgium's Umicore SA has recently announced plans to build a $1.5 billion battery supply plant chain near Kingston, Ontario, based powerly on renewable energy with financial support from the federal and provincial government. The plant would produce battery precursor active material and battery cathode active material, filling in missing spaces and also adding a new terminus to Ontario's ongoing battery supply manufacturing plant, which already has a battery cell and manufacturing plant. Ontario, which specializes in chemicals and materials, said both the federal government and the Ontario government have stated to provide financial support but did not offer any details, because both the levels of government thought that providing such details would lead to compromising the future and ongoing projects with other vehicle manufacturing companies and battery companies. Nonetheless, by the leaks and also the official statements of the public officials, it said that hundreds of millions of dollars would be provided for forgivable loans. Such financial support has been justified to be a necessary step to ensure Canada's vitality of auto industry, the second largest exporter in the world, and also the overall health of the economy. Batteries are poised to become the important subcomponent in vehicles as the combustion engine is about to phase out over the next 15 years, replaced by zero emission and electrified transportation.
We are most grateful to the Canadian and Ontario governments for their support and for their readiness to co-fund this planned project, said Matthias Miedrich, Chief Executive of Umicore, said at a press conference at Queen's University announcing the project, attended by Prime Minister Justin Trudeau. The facility will help Canada and Umicore in their shared objective of achieving a carbon-neutral battery supply chain, he added. At the press conference, Francois Philippe Champagne, Minister of Innovation, Science and Industry, said he had been talking to Miedrich since January, seeking to convince him to build out its North American operations in Canada. Umicore, the largest producer of cathode material outside of Asia, said construction on the planet would begin in 2023 and target first production in late 2025. Cathode active material, sometimes called CAM, is where positive charges flow out of a battery and can account for as much as 50% of its value. The announcement comes after the European materials company BASF SE and subsequently General Motors Co. in partnership with the South Korean chemicals company POSCO each announced $500 million cathode manufacturing plants in the industrial city of Bicancore, QE, which has a port on the St. Lawrence River.
There is also a broad range of critique for these from motorized technology. Umicore's investment produces similar capability to Ontario and includes country's first industrial-based material manufacturing plant, precursor material manufacturing plant in which raw materials such as lithium, cobalt and nickel are converted into chemical forms for the better use in batteries. The plant is about to take 370 acres of land in Loyalist Township and will produce hundreds of millions of jobs. And also, once it is fully operational, it will produce more and more cathode for 1 million vehicles.
Vic Fedeli, Ontario's Minister of Economic Development, Job Creation and Trade, called it an important investment in a high-value segment of the UV supply chain. Midred said the plant would be powered by renewable energy, although he did not specify how exactly this would happen. Ontario's grid is powered by a combination of nuclear, hydro, natural gas and wind, and anywhere from 80% to 94% clean depending on different estimates. Fidley said Umicore would likely buy carbon credits on the open market to offset any emissions caused by its operations. Midrich also said during a question and answer session that he aspires to source all the raw materials needed for the operations from within Canada and to use recycled materials whenever possible. Voip explained that automakers may be more interested in investing in areas with a vibrant software and information technology sector as electric vehicles emerge, whereas in the past proximity to steel manufacturing may have been paramount. The next generation looks at transportation more as a tech component that is either making the life easier or harder. Champagne said that there would be more announcements about the electrified transportation supply chain in the future, calling it Phase 1. As one CEO said recently, Canada is on a roll.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to hit the bell icon.
And don't forget to check out our book.